At Data.ai, we help you understand the digital landscape so you can make strategic decisions. As part of the market research team at an OTT company, you have identified that overall usage and engagement of your app is declining. You have been tasked with identifying new opportunities to engage consumers. To start, use cross-app usage to understand where else your consumers are spending time outside of your app. Cross-app affinity helps you to identify apps that have audiences who are most likely to use your app, helping you uncover new target audiences. Beyond apps, reviewing cross-mobile websites can help you to discover which mobile websites are frequently used by your consumers. Unlocking consumer behavior insights on mobile app and web will uncover new opportunities to help you re-engage your users.